Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is 7 in the morning and right now I'm standing at Dodabata Junction in Ooty. And if you see, it's an overcast day today, and in the last 1 week it was raining heavily here in Ooty, so I couldn't go to many of the places in Ooty, so I thought to go to somewhere else. This is the four road junction where one route take you to Ooty and the other one to Kotagiri, and the other one, which is blocked now, will take you to the Dodabata peak. As you can see in the map, you can reach Coimbatore by three different ghat roads from Ooty. So these roads has its own difficulties on ride and number of hairpin bends. It has the remote forest roads and animal crossing on these routes. Route 1 is Ooty, Kotagiri, Mettupalayam, Coimbatore. Route 2 is from Ooty, Kunnur, Mettupalayam and Coimbatore. Third route is from Ooty to Manjur, Manjur to Geddai, and then Attikadavu, Karamadai, and finally you can reach Coimbatore. But this route needs prior permission from the forest department, and this is a very dangerous route out of all these three. So most of the travelers avoid this route. And these are the views that you'll get to see in the Kunnur route. There is a mobile tower at the top of the hill. I don't know whether you people can see it clearly. It is there in the top, and if you go to that place, you can clearly view this entire route that is from Kunnur to Mettupalayam. That entire route can be viewed from the top. So that place is called as Pakasuran viewpoint. So if you come to Ooty, go and try to view from there. This particular route will be really good. You can enjoy that particular view. Since my bike engine is brand new, I had to stop the vehicle for every 1 hour for the duration of 10 minutes so that the engine gets cooled off and I can start my next ride. So in the middle, I was just capturing all these super views that we have. This was my longest ride after buying my Snowy. So I thought to take it for a long ride so that the engine will get a bit free. It won't be that much stressed. So the next day I started to Marudamalai temple, which is in Coimbatore. Finally, I reached Marudamalai temple around 8 in the morning, and then here you can see the temple tower, which is very beautiful to see. And then, like I said, this is Marudachalamurti, Lord Muruga temple, which is in Marudamalai, and it is a popular 12th century hill temple situated in Coimbatore, built by Tamil kings during the Sangam period as indicated in the Purana Noru. The temple is dedicated to Lord Murugan, and it is considered the seventh house of Lord Murugan. Like most Murugan temples, the temple is situated upon a hillock, part of the Western Ghats, about 12 kilometers west from the center of the city of Coimbatore. Thaipusam and other Murugan festivals are celebrated here in this temple. On many evenings, the devotees take out a procession of Lord Murugan sitting in a chariot and take a circle around the temple. Here we can see the view from other end of the temple, and this is how it looks like. Taking videos inside the temple is not allowed, and So I stopped recording the videos inside the temple. This is the one small clip which I could make, and here it is not restricted, so I took. And then I was heading back to the Yamaha service center to get the first service done for my bike, as I rode my bike for around 930 kilometers, so which is very close to 1000 kilometers, and that's where you do the first service. Or if we complete 30 days, we need to do the first service. So I have rode it for 1000, almost 1000, so I took it to the service center. The pre-check was going on before they accept it for the first service, so they are just checking if there is any damage in the vehicle or not. These brothers did the water wash job done for my Snowy, and they were really cool, and they handled my vehicle very carefully, because I have told them to handle it very carefully, because most of the parts are plastics. So I want them to, I mean, when they try to put the vehicle on the center stand, I want them to handle it very carefully. So they did the same, and it was really good, and they have done a good job with the cleaning. He started the cleaning with cleaning the chains first, and then wiping out dust particles which is present all over the vehicle with a towel. And then they had this foam wash. It's a normal soap or shampoo only, and after that they were splashing the water to remove the dirt which is there in the front mudguard, and in the back mudguard, where we can't access very easily to those places, and took it inside for the engine oil replacement and other basic checks. And here you can see the Snowy is getting ready for the engine oil change. Done with the first service of my bike, Snowy, and it's looking really fresh and clean. Now I can ride it with the normal operations, because it has completed its first service and 1000 kilometers is almost done. So now I can operate it normally. And that's it. The service is done, and I'm going back to my home now. This time I took the Kotagiri route, because while coming I took the Kunnur road, and now I'm going back via Kotagiri. This particular stretch from Metupalayam to foot of the Kotagiri hills is a very long and broad enough route for the bikers and cars, and everyone enjoys this particular stretch, which is a straight road, and you can't see as many vehicles in this route in the night time especially. You can see the night view of Metupalayam from Kotagiri road, and this is how it looks. And that's pretty much in this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment your suggestions. See you all next time with an amazing video. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.